Good afternoon, everyone. Jason here. Today is December 17th, and this is your aftermarket update. All right, we had a really nice day here at the Oil Trading Group. What started out a little bit tough for us ended up being a very handsome day. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about a mistake that I made that actually worked out to my advantage. We'll do that, have that conversation here in just a few minutes. But as we started here today, the market was rotating around between our two primary market maker levels right after the open. And one of the things that we talked about is that we were going to be extremely patient here this morning. So we had a couple of different levels here that we were watching. One of the things that you'll notice in the video is you see me draw this kind of formation out here, right? We were actually looking for it down around this structure target. But once we made it down into this low and began this process of retracing back up here into the ETH session open, we were looking to get short right here off of your structure signal. Now, from the structure signal, we were looking to carry that down deep today. Actually, we were looking to try to get down. We were in up here at 51.46. We were looking, honestly, we were looking all the way down here today to get down to this structure target into that 37 area, and really even deeper than that. And as the market goes into the balance of the day, we actually come all the way down here. But for this particular trade, what we ended up doing is coming down into the structure target area just a little bit deeper here. We ended up running it down to about 50 and then getting trail stopped out at 60 ticks. We ended up getting trail stopped out just above here after that move to the downside. So what you're going to see here, and where I made a little bit of a trading mistake, is I got hit but no fill to start with. And so once I got hit but no fill, I was in on one lot, and then ended up getting in on two lots. I took one out on accident, and so then I had one lot, and then the market comes back up and I get in with two more lots. So it was a little bit of a mistake. I only meant to get in on two lots. I got in on three lots. So I ended up going three lots for 60 ticks on this trail stop back up here today. So it ended up being a very nice trade. Now, I was down ticks heading into that trade from a previous CL losing trade and an ES losing trade. And so let me pull this up here with you really quickly. So I ended up, like I said, being up about 100 ticks on the day. So let's just take a look here. Let me see if I can pull this up. Give me 1 second. I'm going to pull up the stats for you here today so you can take a look at these. This is where we ended up being here today. So if you just pull this to here, and we come back here, you can see that I was up a little over 100 ticks today. I had 20% winning trades. I had one winning trade today. My largest winning trade was 1,800, and my largest loss was 250. So by the time it was all said and done, I was up 100 ticks today. And this trade here is the one that did most of it for us. So only won one trade today, but again, who cares, right? It's not about winning percentage. It's about putting ticks in your pocket. And if you look at your average winning trade was $1,800, right? And your average losing trade today was 196. So 1,800 divided by 196, that is a 9-to-1 winning trade greater than your average losing trade. And so again, that really fits in line here with what we've done so far in the month of December. That puts us up at about $5,800 in the month of December with a 34% win rate. And again, the average winning trade is 416, and you divide that by 140. That is a 3-to-1 winning trades greater than losing trades. So again, it's been a very good month here in December. And with the exception of the three lots that I ended up with on today, this has mostly been one lots so far this month. So what I'm going to do here, I had another little snafu today. The video recorded, the audio did not. So what I'm going to do is you'll get to see the entire trade from start to finish with no audio. So I tried to spell out as best I could that taking myself off at one lot and then adding back two lots and ending up with three lots. I tried to explain that the best I could on the tape and the video, and I think you'll get the gist. So again, what you'll see is where I got in. I'll cut the trade down into pieces, speed those up, put a little music behind it, and then you can see how we ended up out at the 180 tick CL trade of the day. So that's enough talking for me here today. As always, I want to say thank you for watching the videos here at the Oil Trading Group, and enjoy the OTG trade of the day.